So hi guys. Last video, let's just say I was being bothered and I was not able to, very much stay focused. But right now, I was actually doing this in the last video, and I had gone out for a walk, and that time itself, I figured out how to solve it. So let's see whether the thing I figured actually worked or not. So yeah, let's see if this works. So the way I think about this is okay. How to check in Python. How to check the count of element in a list. So the way I think about this is you have three cases. The first is no zeros. The second is um, the second is 1 0. And this starts. I'm so bad at this. And the third cases, which encompasses everything else, is one or more zeros. That is starting from two zeros essentially. So we'll base this off from there. So we'll have two things. We'll have nums except, which will be the thing, and then we will say if nums dot count of 0 is equal to 0, or we could say if that is that, right, that is also counted, right. We can just take this and paste it over here, and mm, yeah, so these can easily just stay over here. So this first case is done, right? First case is taken care of. We just paste it over here, right? And this is the third case. So this is our first case when there's no zeros. So the way we do this is all numbers plot is 1, we take off that and we do this. So nice, works amazing, right? Second is elif nums dot count of 0 is precisely equal to 1, right? So um, our third case, which is the non-zero prod, is because if there's only 1 0, then what we're doing is if it's not equal to 0, then we need to do the prod. If it's not equal to 0, we'll just append 0 for this. But if it is, then we will do 0 prod, right? We'll just do that. Because if it's 0, then बाकी सबका उसके पास है, and then else case is, by the very definition, this is like nums dot count of 0 is, so it's greater than 1, so greater than or equal to 2. In this case, because it's greater than or equal to 2, it will pretty much be um, it will pretty much be 0. So I could do something like um, uh, to create a list with zeros in Python of a length. Oh yeah, so I could do something pretty much like return 0 into nums dot, or something like length of nums. Yeah, so this is pretty much how this would be, and I will just copy this. If this is not right, I would be very sad. Let's see, the indentation is fine. This indentation is not fine. Okay, so let's just run the test cases on this. Is there a better way of doing this? I don't know. Yeah, so I was right. My intuition was right in that, which is, I guess, good to know. Yeah, so this is one more thing in the question. You will see it says, can you solve the problem in O of 1 extra space complexity? The output array does not count as extra. So if you think about it, this one, So if you think about this is actually our output array. This is O of n. This is n being the length of nums. So, but this is not counted as extra space. Even if it was, it'd be of O of n. But as the question says, the output array does not count, so this is still O of 1. Pretty much because, I mean, this is 1, but this is constant for all, so it's not like extra space that is growing linearly with the question. Is there a better way of solving this? I mean, it's O of 1, right? Sorry, it's O of n, the time complexity. If you look at the topics, what do you want us? You must write an algorithm that O of n without what? Okay, that's crazy because in NeetCode, when I solve this, it says, could you solve it in O of n time without using the division operator? Interesting. So that means I can't do this, and that is funny because the only place where I'm doing that is when I have all non-zero, where my arrays contain all non-zero. So this is the only thing I have to worry about. Interesting. Um, but this is not technically division operation. It's a flow division operation. Um, not using division. Hmm. By the way, which question is this in LeetCode itself? It's in arrays and hashing. So it's not built upon any previous knowledge. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. So first thing we do is we figure out key, what is the product of all the numbers combined. It's telling us without using the division operation. So I'm confused. How would I compute this? And to think of this, in the first loop, we're just finding out the total product, which could be compensated or condensated as a single line as a form of list comprehension. But how would I do this? If I take the first thing, figure out the rest. If I do this, I just plug and play. But then again, that would be of O of n square, right? Because if I have to do this, then I have to right? It will be of O of n square, so we lose that O of n. Um, how would I solve this without a division operation? Hint. Okay. Oh, prefix. And the thing is, on this one, it's saying as a follow-up. Look, I want to give myself enough time to actually come up with the solution myself. Okay, whatever this was horrendous. I don't know. My past self had some weird ways. This was open square. Was this the NeetCode one? No. Um, um, I mean, without using division operation, I guess I have to just watch a video because I guess what I do this. I mean, the logical for me is n square. Um, yeah, I mean, how can you do this or no? But I'm so tempted to watch this and not give myself enough time. Um, would it be possible to just like look through this once? Right, just look through this once. Have this, but I would be looping of um, but I would be looping n times. So I have one, right, and then I have two, and then I have three, and then I have four. Okay, one, two, three. I can't think of anything right now. I think I may have to watch the video chat. Is this a new pattern? Maybe I don't know because I. No. Okay, so the way he's saying is like so one one cup prefix is um one cup prefix is one. Two cup prefix multiplication is one. Three cup prefix multiplication is two. Four cup is that.